Welcome to Emailwiz Flow Editor tutorial video. In this tutorial we will break down the Flow Editor and what you can do and see in it. The Flow Editor has three main parts: Flow Selector on the left, Preview in the middle, and Triggers and Funnel on the right side. The Flow Selector is where you choose which specific email from which specific flow you want to preview and edit. Now we are looking at the first email from the Welcome flow. You can move between different emails by pressing on the one you want to work on. You can turn the emails on and off. It is important to know that if you turn off an email, all following emails will be turned off as well. For example, if we will turn off the second welcome email, then the third welcome email will be turned off automatically. Your pop-up is also available in the Flow Editor. It has two parts: Opt-in, which is what the customer sees before entering their email, and Thank You, which is what the customers see after entering their email. You can edit the pop-up by pressing on the Edit button, and play with the pop-up's text and colors. Now let's go to the Preview block in the center of the screen. The first thing in the Preview block is the From section, showing the sender name which your clients will see, as well as the email address that Emailwiz will send your emails from. Then we see the subject line, which is the first line your customers will see when receiving your emails, and the preview text, which is like longer extension to the subject line. You can edit both the subject line and the preview text by pressing on the Edit button. Most important, we have the email preview. We can scroll and see the entire email. Each email has dynamic parts which will change to fit your store. This product block will show your client a product from your store with the product's name and pricing, and this button that is linked to your store's homepage. You can edit each email by pressing the Edit button and then edit email manually, and use our drag and drop editor to change the text. Add new content from our pre-built blocks, edit images, and much more. On the right side of the screen we have the Triggers and Funnel block. This block changes based on the flow you selected to work on. This block lets you know more about the flow, like who will receive this flow's emails and when. The blue part shows you who will start receiving that flow, as well as the cases when someone will not receive this flow. The bottom part shows you when each email from this flow will be sent. In this example, the first email is sent on trigger, meaning when someone subscribes to your newsletter. The second email will be sent 2 days after the first email, and the third email will be sent 2 days after the second. So in this case, the new subscriber will receive 3 emails within 4 days of subscribing to your newsletter, unless they make a purchase from your store. Each of the flows has different triggers and funnels, based on the industry's best practices. For any other question regarding Emailwiz or the Flow Editor, contact us from the live app chat. Thank you, and hoping you enjoyed this tutorial.